Alright guys, I'm doing a kitchen install this week and I decided it's about time I upgrade my kitchen cabinet clamps. I used to use the old method with the urban clamps, which works fine, but I just wanted to try these out because I saw this online. I bought this for $40. It's a set of two, comes in different colors, I think red and orange and a few other colors. And that's on Amazon. What I like about it is very durable, it's well made, and it's affordable. It's got some good padding to protect your cabinets. And really nice thing I like it is the actual pilot hole, so you don't actually have to think, you're just going to clamp it in and start pilot holding it. These are available on Amazon. I've got a link in my link tree if you want to have a look at that and purchase that. It's a really great product. And then stay tuned, I'll show you how to use these. Okay, I've got the bottom one set in, so I'll show you how to do these. The top one, just open it up, put it around the face of the cabinet. I try and go a little high on that, and then make sure that the backs are snug against the back. And then you will go ahead and tighten up the sides. Now once the side is a little snug, don't make it too snug because you still want to get the front squared up. So you go ahead and just do the front while holding in the clamp. And then you'll see it will start putting the cabinets flush, and you can just go ahead and start making sure that everything's nice, square and flush on the top. Go ahead and drill your pilot hole. Now what I like about this is you don't have to unclamp your clamps. All you do is you swing this down, and then you can go ahead and screw your pilot hole in, or screw your screw into your pilot hole, and then you should be good to go. And that's all she takes. Nice and flush, good to go, and on to the next.